Hey guys, we're back again with another video, this time another one on the IS300. What we are going to be doing to the IS300 is Nico's gone ahead and started removing his boot he had with the wing on there. He just gotten over it. So we're going to be putting his standard boot back on. And we've got some sway bars here. So stay tuned and let's get stuck into the video. And there's the boot.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait.
More coolers here, just aligning the boot.
Hey, how do we get it out now?
Just tighten the screws. Shut up.
Just making sure all the gaps are aligned. Like that. You got the standard IS300 boot back on. No more Wayne gang. Open sesame.
Is it good?
Homemade America!
Nice to meet y'all.
Not bad. He loves it.
Holy shit, look at the difference, bro.
Just gotta take all these. Now that the boot's all on and all aligned, we got Nick here just doing the finishing touches while me and Nick will start doing the suspension to it. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. Hey Bells. Got Nico here, taking off all the covers, the under tray covers off underneath the car. Once we get underneath the car here, we can see that is the old sway bar we're going to be removing. You can see there's 1, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts here, and then that comes around, 1 bolt right there and 1 on the other side. As you can see here, that D rubber here, and this one right here, right there. And it's very hard to get a good angle in it. But anyway, those rubbers also come in the kit, which are right here. So we're going to be replacing them also. So let's get to removing that now. What's good, bro? And the sway bar is out. Bench press. 1, 2. Alright, let's put it next
How
to.
thin that is compared to it.
Let's put it next to the
Yeah.
new one right now.
Much thicker.
Yeah.
Much thicker. Yeah.
Awesome. So these are the D rubbers that we were talking about. These are the old ones. You can reuse them. It looks like there's nothing wrong with them, but our kit comes with our kit comes with new ones anyway, and they're a little bit, as he said, thicker than the old one. So just whack these boys straight on.
See that?
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
Yeah.
But that is looking so good. Guys, so we're officially done with installing the front sway bar. The actual dust cover took longer to put on than the actual sway bar itself. But anyway, leave that for another story. We're moving to the back now and we're going to install the rear sway bar. As you saw in the start of the video, he put his standard IS300 boot back on and he's also debadged it. We actually think that looks much more cleaner, gives it the car more cleaner look, and he's super happy with that. And I don't know if I mentioned, but he also got his guards rolled and flared. If you can see that flare there, because with these rims it was previously rubbing. You can see the flare on this side. Looks sick.
Camera.
Got my grandfather here too,
Camera.
trying out our new camera.
Oh.
Oh my god! So while we're working on the IS300, Coolest over here thought he'd do something on his own car. Installing a sleeper boost gauge, close it. Damn boys! Innovative boost gauge, which taking all his IS350 apart. That's probably the best location for that, to be honest. Awesome. So we'll come back to see the final product once he's all installed it. You're gonna make some noises. Got the car jacked up now. We're just waiting for Nico to unbox the rear sway bar. Pretty much the same concept as the front. It also comes with new D rubbers. You can see there.
1 millimeter sway bar.
And guys, we've got the second one out. All on and ready to go. So I don't know if we've mentioned, but Nichols also has a genuine TRD underbody brace too, but he's installed that prior. Wrap this one up there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the videos.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys. Catch you in the next one.